Hey, it's Matthew, and these are the items from the Hot Wheels 2020 34th Annual LA Convention. Although the convention was canceled, I want to give a huge shout out to Mark and Jennifer for sending these out to the ticket holders. So let's first start off with the lanyard. I can't show you what they put here because it just shows my personal information, but it just has a white card and then it says your name and then personal stuff. So it comes with two patches. This is the patch for the convention and this is the patch for the dinner. Then they give you a little towel, a Hot Wheel mask with A&J Toys, and you can also get this shirt. So then you also get some hand sanitizer, a notebook with a pen, and then there's also a folder that goes in your backpack, but it's empty. So in the background is a newsletter Batmobiles. If you're a subscriber, you'll automatically get this white Batmobile. In the background, you can see other Batmobile colors. These are special, very limited colors. And I want to give a huge shout out to Jim G for letting me get these so I can show you guys on camera. Jim runs the newsletter and you can check out the site in the link below. So the other colors, then the regular white one, is red and with black wheels. And all the wheels are rubber too. And it comes with a sticker. Then a dark green with purple wheels and the sticker. Then the purple with white wheels. The light green. And then the blue. And each color has a theme, like the red is for Robin and the green is for the Joker. Phil Reelman originally designed a TV series Batmobile, and we saw it as a pink party car in 2018. So here's a charity car, which is a 57 Chevy. Has all the military look to it. Says Make-A-Wish on the back. Says Hot Wheels, LA 2020. Staff car. It looks pretty good. Larry Wood designed this car, and we saw it as a Super this year in pink. So the first convention car is the 41 Willy's Gasser. So all the design on the card, it says 2020, October 34th Annual Convention. It looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna open this up because honestly the convention cars this year aren't my favorites. But then you can see it says Bloodshot, then has all the tampos, Firestone wheels, and of course the hood that opens, in the back. And the car doesn't look too bad with the Bloodshot, with all the red on the car. Brendan Vituski designed this car, and we saw it as an RLC car in 2019, and it's also going to be a selections car for next year. So next car is a 93 Nissan D21 hardbody custom pickup. This is a very interesting car. So this truck says Nissan is white, has number 34, red and blue stripes, 34 on the top. Then there's the bed, back right here. And I like the white, red, and blue stripes all over the car. I think it looks pretty cool. Mark Jones designed this, Steve Vandervaart created the decos, and Julian Coyles did the packaging art. So next up is the dinner car, which is a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. So this car is white, then it says Dutch Courage, all blue with flowers, and it has a windmill, the the flowers on the top. Then it has the back. Then the front. And it looks pretty cool, but we've seen a lot of Gassers. The dinner was supposed to be in honor of Steve Van der Vaart. Larry Wood designed this, and this is the 7th time we have seen this car this year. The 7 include the Pearl and Chrome, the National Convention this year, the Boulevard, the Team Transport Collector Set, the Display Case, the Legends Tour, and this one. So now here's the finale car. It's a Volkswagen T1 panel bus. So this Volkswagen says Hot Wheels Convention. The Mattel has the yellow flames, the red, the blue, and the white. There's a lot of colors on this car. On the top has the blue and the red and white stripes, and it looks pretty cool. I like the color designs that they did on this. The yellow matches the convention, and then it has the red and the blue and the white. We saw this in the Beatles set in 2019, and in a Boulevard mix in 2020, which was a Magnus Walker design. So the last convention car is a pink party car, which is a 70 Mustang Boss 302. This car looks really good. And then you can see the white stripes all around the car. It leads from the front all the way to the back. The backlights. Then it has a white interior. Then it says club exclusive right here. And then here's the back side of the car. And if you guys want to pause it, you can read what it says on the back here. And in 2017, we saw the same car, but in Spectre Flame Blue for an RLC drop. So my favorite car out of all the convention cars is definitely the Mustang Boss 302. But I really like on the finale car, the deco and the font. I just really like how it has a classic Hot Wheels look. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite item is out of this 34th annual LA convention.